Yeah, I spent most of the day up in Parley's Canyon. I rode along with UDOT's incident management team, and I watched as they went to help whoever they could because there was a lot of stranded drivers in the canyon. Utah's first real snow of winter didn't hold back. Even before things really got started, we saw cars pulled over and even facing the wrong way.
Are you injured at all?
We rode with Mason Packwood, who has only been on the incident management team since July, meaning this is his first winter on the IMT.
Because Utah's winters are usually a lot busier than this, a lot more snow than we've gotten lately.
That changed on Wednesday. We made our way up Parley's Canyon and saw that old familiar winter weather and the problems that come with it.
It's still pretty slick, yeah, and it's coming down pretty hard.
Both cars and semis stuck on the side of the road, some needing a little push. Some people had to be told to just wait it out.
I get it, everyone wants to try and get to their place, but if your car won't make it, you can't really impede the whole canyon.
None of the incidents we stopped at had any injuries, just some frustrated drivers.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while.
The storm gave everyone on the road a reminder of what it's like to drive when it actually snows. Now, the canyon wasn't the only place that was affected by snow on the roads. And right now, Kristen McPeak's in the studio with a live look at road conditions right now. Kristen?